Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a part 2 of probably one of my more successful videos, Why is Taekwondo so hated? Before we get into that though, I want to first say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I have been still been keeping track of that. I haven't been making very many videos just because I've been running the school, a lot of intros, a lot of classes are coming in. Getting created, things like that. So I just haven't had a lot of time. And then plus, if I'm not here, I'm at home and my brain is just turned off. I do put a lot of energy into my school. It is still a growing business that I got to keep track of, and I got to stay on top of it, things like that. So I just haven't been making too many videos, but I got a lot on my mind. I'm going to be doing a lot more skills, a lot of how-tos, self-defense, and then just a lot of discussion of what's on my mind, things like that. So today's video, I'm going to be making a part 2 of why is Taekwondo so hated. And now that I have my own school and I've had still a lot of people, even now, open 4 months, even now, oh, I don't like Taekwondo conversations have come up with some people that have walked into the into my studios. And so now I got a little bit more perspective of, and some more thoughts of why do people just not like this style of Taekwondo. I mean, the style that I truly love at the bottom of my heart. I love the GTMA. I love this style of Taekwondo, but it is not the styles that I believe people are thinking when they do think of Taekwondo. So let me first explain. I think it's just the word Taekwondo. Now, karate is one style from one country. Taekwondo is another style from another country. But there are hundreds of versions of karate and Taekwondo. But I do believe that the Taekwondo that they do, that pops in people's head, is the foot tag of the Olympic style Taekwondo. And I am not knocking that at all. I love that Olympic style Taekwondo. There's a YouTuber, God, I forget her name. She's from the UK or England or something like that, but she is solid and I really like her videos. So if you see this video, please make more of your videos. I love to watch them and I nerd out on them quite often. So I love how she's an athlete, her training methods, she's like that. Like she is a beast, and I really like seeing those videos of hers. But so that style isn't bad. Like I really do enjoy the Olympic style sparring, like like other styles of sparring and things like that, more like the freestyle sparring of, just an open tournament. I nerd out on that all the time. But I think the word Taekwondo I don't think people like the word Taekwondo because they lump it into, oh, it's just one style. There's many different styles of Taekwondo. The WT, World Taekwondo, that's the Olympic style sparring. Okay, that's the foot tag. WTF, World Taekwondo Federation, that's another umbrella company, and that is its own sparring style that isn't even have anything in common with the World Taekwondo style of sparring. If you watch, just type in WTF sparring, those guys are good. And I love that style of sparring as well. GTMA, that's another umbrella association. We have a different style of sparring. We have a point sparring system, and then we have a tournament style or a testing style sparring, and then we have a classroom self-defense style sparring. So we have 3 different styles of sparring that, yes, it includes legs, because we do a lot with the legs as well, but we also have a lot of hand techniques too. We got a lot of elbows, ridge hands, back fists, hammer fists, punches, knife hands. We use our upper body probably more sometimes than our kicks. And that's our style of taekwondo, but it is a different style of taekwondo. It's not the same taekwondo that you know went to as a kid and just had probably a bad experience with. One, it was probably just a bad school all in itself, because bad school owners, bad instructors, you're just not going to be happy. You need to find a good school owner and a good instructor that's just not going to give you a belt like a belt factory, and then you come out of it 2-3 years later thinking you're some good martial artist, and then it's like you talk to a good martial artist and like, hey, show me this, show me that, and they're like, what is that? And you just realize, oh, the school I just spent so much time at didn't teach me a darn thing. So you really have to kind of do your research on, good, solid martial arts. Go in there, take a free intro class, see what it's about, because not all taekwondos are going to be the same. They are different, like night and day. This is so much different than any other style of taekwondo. Okay, like I said, like my uniform, it is a karate style uniform. It's a 2-piece, right over left, belt. Karate pants. This is a karate style uniform. We don't even have the pullovers. All of ours are leftover right style. That's karate. That's Tung Sudo style. So right there, yes, we're named. This is Taekwondo, but it is not the Taekwondo that people think that we're portrayed as, just because they think Taekwondo, foot tag, big chest protectors, big helmets, and then it's just a foot tag, and we don't do that here. So that being said, I just think that people don't understand that there are different styles of Taekwondo, and there are some softer styles of Taekwondo. There's a lot more foot style Taekwondo, and then there's kind of our styles where we kind of use every part of our body, but we're just on our feet and we call ourselves Taekwondo. Okay, so comment down below what you think about this. If you knew that there was different styles of Taekwondo organizations out there, or if this was totally new to you. Tell me what your thoughts are, if you got some food for thought, if you have any suggestions for me of future videos, things like that. Till next time, guys, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.